You're welcome to my channel. We have a number here to break it down, to convert from base 10 to other bases. In my previous lesson, I converted from other bases to base 10. So this one will be converting from base 10 to other bases, and handling other bases is also similar. Is simple. It's not hard. So we are going to convert from base 10 to other bases as well. So we have question here to convert 224 base 10 to binary. And we have the second question here, 76 base 10 to convert to base 7. So we'll start with the first question, which is 224. And you have to take this at the back of your mind. Whenever you have a number in base 10 to convert to other bases, the only thing to do, you take a table. You can draw a table to convert it. You draw a table, you write the major number which that is in base 10 that you want to convert at the right hand side, then the one you are converting to the left hand side. So here we are converting 224 base 10 to base 2. So we'll write the base at the left hand side, then the right hand side you write the major number we want to convert. So the base is 2, binary means 2, base 2. So we are converting this to base 2. So now we'll check how many times 224 will divide 2. How many times? So you will do try and error, you multiply. So we'll check how many times. So you can just guess any number that you feel that this can multiply to give this. So to me, I know it is 112. 112. This go into 224 112 times. The remainder is 0 without remainder. And 2 into 112 will go 56 times. Remainder 0. 2 into 56 will go 28 times. Remainder 0. 2 into 28 will go 14 times. Remainder 0. 2 into 14 7 times. Remainder 0. 2 into 7 3 times. 3 times. Remainder 0. 2 into 3 1 time. Remainder. Sorry. 2 into 7 3 times. Remainder 1. And 2 into 3 1 time. Remainder 1. And 2 into 1 0. Remainder 1. So as simple as that. So now our answer is 204 24 base 10 to base 2 will give us. So after finishing, after having the remainders, you draw your arrow facing it upward because you are moving from down to up. That is your answer. So our answer is 1 1 1 because 1 1 1. Then 0 0 0 0 0 base 2. So our question 2 now, we are converting 76 base 10 to base 7. The same thing, you draw a table, you write the base 10 number which you want to convert. You write the base at the left hand side, which is 7. And we know that 76 divided by 7 will give us 10, because 70, because 76 means 70 plus 6. That is 76. 70 plus 6 is 76. So 70 divided by 7 is 10. So this is the remainder because 6 cannot divide 10. So 76 divided by 7 is 10, remainder 6. And 7 into 10, just a single time, remainder 3. And 7 into 1 cannot divide 7, so it's 0 times. 0 times remainder 1. As usual, you draw your arrow up. So your answer is 76 base 10 is equal to 136 base 7. So turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you can follow more of this. Thank you.